Hello, this is Mr. Abamu Idanogren. In this video, I'm going to show you this applet on the cross section of a cone. This applet is a simple one that just describes how a cone is being viewed when you cut it from different plane. For example, what I have here on this left side of my side here, this is the plane, this green mark here. You can actually view it by clicking on the screen and drag. You can see it, and this plane is telling you the cutting line on the cone. So it's describing the point at which you cut the cone. So this applet is actually giving you the shape that will be formed if a cone is being cut from a particular cross section. And these three sliders here, you can use it to change position of the plane so that you can have different views depending on where you are cutting it from. So this applet is also good for mathematics so that your student can view this shape very well, especially when you are teaching solid shapes like cone. Even the technical drawing teachers, they will enjoy this applet also. It also helps their students to view this plane very well, especially when they are to teach development where they will cut a shape and they need to view it, or there are so many aspects of technical drawing that they will benefit this applet. This applet will benefit them very well. Okay, let me just do a simple demonstration so that you see. Now this plane is parallel to the base. You can see it now that I set the applet like this. You can see that the plane is parallel to this base. So in this case, you are supposed to see a circle. So when you look at it from the top, you see that we are seeing a circle as the mark of cut now from the plane, which is the cross section. So if I move up now, which is up or down, if I use this applet, if I use this slider now, you can see you can either cut it very small like this, or you come down to cut it big. You can even go down. In this case, nothing is being cut. You can see it, or you move it up, and you can see on this side no image is shown in this side. Or you move up, you can see the image is shown and nothing is being shown. So this image here is telling you the shape of the object that is seen when you cut it in this, and when you cut the cone in this with this plane. So let's leave this like this now. Let's see this red slider here. So if I tilt this one up, you can see what is happening. You can see the shape has been changed to an ellipse shape now. So this is the shape you are going to see when a cone is being cut at this direction like this. So let me put it like this. You can see. So when you cut a cone like this, using this plane as your cutting line, you can see the shape you are going to see, which is something like an ellipse. Let me move this up so that we can tilt this up very well for you to view it well. You can actually see it. You can see that an ellipse has been formed as the point you will see. So the technical drawing teachers really enjoy this applet. It's a good one just for your students to view it very well before they go on in doing their drawing, because it's good for you to know what you are even going to get when you are drawing, not that you are just drawing out of curiosity. At the end of the day, you don't even know if you are right or wrong. Alright, let's see another thing we can do. Okay, alright, let me turn it. So if I tilt this one further away, you can see now we are having something like a parabola now. So this is a parabola. You can see the shape being formed. Let me see, tilt it up the more. So you can see that a parabola has been formed. You can click this side and drag so that you can see the shape very well. You can see it. You can see that a parabola has been formed. When you cut it on this side and it did not cross the body of the cone but come through the base, you see what you are seeing. So if I tilt it very well, you can see it even gives you the shadow on top. So a triangle has been formed in this way. That means you cut it into 2 equal halves. You can see it. Let's come down. very important view. Then on this last line, and I just for you to rotate it to view it wherever direction you want to view. In case you don't want to move the screen like this, you can actually use this to turn it in the view you want to see. So this is all about this applet. I just say let me show you so that you can see it, use it anytime in your classroom with your student, and this view will be easy for your student to demonstrate and to understand it. You see how I'm moving it, you see the way it's turning. They may ask you to cut it in any direction and the understanding will come out clean and good. So that is all I have for this applet. So if you also want to use it in your classroom, you can go to the description of this video. You will see the link there. Just click on it and download it into your system and use it anytime you like in your classroom. So thank you for watching this video. Do have a nice day.